Hey guys, so I just received my IPSY package and I'm so excited to show you guys what's inside of it. The first thing is this Vera brush and it's in 50F. And I'll admit I tried to film this video literally 5 seconds ago and my boyfriend was like, do you want to do it in the store? And I'm not an editing guru, so I just kind of had to serve the entire thing, but that's okay. Don't worry about it. Okay, so this is the highlighter that I'm obsessed with that broke and I ran out of. And I believe that I need some kind of better brush to put on. But that's how it looks. It's super pigmented and super shiny. Next is this Or Zebra eyeshadow palette. I'm actually going to use a brush to show you guys what the colors look like. So, there's no confusion. If I use a brush, that's what the first color is going to look like, which is this brown. And then use my finger for this one. It's this rouge red, or it comes out like a brown too. And then we have the gold, which comes out like that. And then the brown, which comes out like that. I'm sure you guys can't even tell what is up, but yeah. This one I was obsessed with. It's these two flamingos, and I use some on my nose because I'm obsessed with highlighter on my nose, and I use some on my eye. Shout out all these things on Instagram because they are Wonder Beauty. I love Wonder Beauty. Ooh, Volume and Curl mascara. There's so many people here right now. It's like a freaking zoo. Okay. Works well enough. Works really well, actually. Okay, eyebrow defining gel clear, and it is by Hello Beautiful. Aw, thanks. There's directions, but I usually don't follow those. Wait. Okay, so it's just clear defining eyebrow gel, which I appreciate because my eyebrows tend to not stay in place. And I will definitely show this on Instagram. Here's this every fucking day. And I just funnily combined all the different eyeshadows. Okay, here's the Balm Auto Balm Curl Power. Ooh, and it's like a bronzer. I wonder how it works. Let's see how it works. You know what it reminds me of? It reminds me of Hula by Benefit. Okay. Okay, Ofra is a brand that I remember. I don't know if I remember liking it or not liking it, but let's see. Okay, so it feels good. Yeah, it just says natural lip gloss, so that's fine. Yeah, I'll definitely be showing these brands out on Instagram. 100%. Another bag, which I'm kind of confused about because, like, I've never gotten something like this. Do Me Baked Highlight Powder. Oh my god. Yes. Ooh. State. So again, super pigmented. You can always tell by using on your nose if it's good or not, and it's pretty freaking good. Okay, Lottie, London. My phone just ran out, so I'm finishing this on here. Thank God I pressed record. Okay, so Lottie, London. The packaging, definitely not subpar, but that's okay. No worries. It basically just looks like it came out of a palette. What is it again? Shimmer Squad. So, directions. It's another highlighter. Let's see if it's. Ooh, pretty. Ooh, that's weird. I got this like as a full package. By Naked Cosmetics. I got it as like a full package. I'll actually show you guys what it looks like. This is what it's supposed to look like. It's supposed to have like a ton of colors. Maybe that's like a brand new color that I didn't have any of. Actually nude. I haven't packaged this one yet. It's probably not brand new color. Okay, so this one's a Rainforest, and it's like a super light color. This one's Blushing Bronze. Sierra Nevada is this one. Blushing Bronze is that. And so I guess it is a new color. I don't even know. I'm confused. Do you guys hear this, or is it just me? Like, dude. Okay, so I already have this. It's a matte primer. It's by the brand First Aid Beauty Fab, and it works really well. I have to show you guys for you guys to know how it works. Alternative Rock. This is a dope looking palette by the Balm. Let's see. It looks like a disc, like a, what's the word I'm looking for? I don't know, I'm gonna make myself so dumb if I try to even do that. But those are all the colors. Wow. Sodium. As Xenon. As Xenon TV. But it's spelled Xenon. I always wonder like where they come up with the names of these eyeshadows. So basically the names of these eyeshadows are, let me think about it. Don't give a shit. Sodium Fine, Am I Right? As Xenon TV, The Parents Are Gone. But it's all spelled like way different. None of your bismuth, bare minimum, nickel buy you dinner. Okay. Interesting. Nonetheless, really cool palette by I'm never disappointed with it. Okay. So this is After Hours Lip Balm by Preventative Measures 101. And I'm not going to use it right now because I don't really have a need for lip balm right now. Ooh, Huda Beauty Liquid Matte. Let's see. Super pretty. I don't want it to end. It's like so sad. This one came with two things. It came with what's the tea, which I have in, oh, it's just one color. It's really pretty blue color. Which test my finger for you guys. So it looks just like that. And then that's what the box looks like. And then Kat Von D tattoo liner. I actually got this the other day in a box, and this one's definitely way easier application. And yeah, so it. Okay, so now it's time to shout out this whole time Instagram because without Thanks for watching, guys.